Just a quick note that my CLI is configured as my admin profile, so I have a lot of permissions, and it makes it easier doing tutorials to not have to keep going back and forth to a demo user to add and subtract permissions. But you always want to deal with the least privileged methodology. So in real life, on the certification, on exams, but especially in real life, you want to give the least access possible to do the job. That's just the way it is. Now, again, for these tutorials, I do jump in as an admin quite a bit. So if you run into problems where you need permissions, more than likely it's because of the policies that are attached to your account or your IAM identity is a little bit restricted. Be very, very careful with what you do. Make sure you destroy objects that are going to cost money. Make sure that you shut them down or pause them or terminate them or understand that they will cost you some money. All right, once again, so my AWS CLI is configured using an administrative level profile. So in short, you should use temporary time-limited credentials. To do that, when you go through the CLI, it should pop up a browser-based authentication where you log in as if you're logging into the console. So whatever your credentials are when you log into that is what your CLI identity will assume. Don't ever store your credentials on the computer. Log in through the browser.